All right, guys, in this videos, I want to show you how you can advertise your business, okay, using WhatsApp, right? The first thing you're going to do is to get a design like this, okay, a graphics work like this. But make sure it shouldn't be too wide. You can see the way I work on this, right? If you need one, let me know. I can help you design one for you that can fit you into the place you're going to be putting the image, right? To attract customers to you, right? So when you have done this, you go to WhatsApp, follow me. So you come to WhatsApp Business, click on Tools, right? Click on Tools and click on Advertise. Very simple. When you have done this, come to Upload Photos or Videos. Tap on this. All right, I click on Next, and then go to Photos. All right, I'm going to pick up that image I designed, and then I mark it. So this is it, right? I click on Mark again at the bottom here. It's been added. Now when it's added, pull up a little bit, you're going to see Add Description. Just add a description. You can say for this one, I would say free graphics design class, right? Then I can decide to maybe add my group link. All right, I can add my group link to it. All right, that way now it should be more than 90 words. If it's more than 90 words, they won't accept that. So so like I said, it should be more than 90 words. All right, they click on save to save it. So after you have saved it, the next thing you can preview it on Facebook. Okay, you can preview it. Okay, this is going to look like, okay, when they appear on Facebook, right? So can WhatsApp and Facebook are connected, kind of, right? So you go to next. When you get to next here, this place here, you just work on it. Okay, for me, you can click on this pencil icon to work on it. All right, obviously, of course, you need people to come from Nigeria, location Nigeria, but interest, you can add interest. Okay, I can add like about 6 interest or 6 to 7 interest. Okay, I can go to, for instance, I can go to business and industry. All right, and then I can pick advertising, marketing. All right, and then just pick all of them. I'll come back to you after doing that. All right, so I think I pick all the things I need to pick. All right, I just come over here, just pick according to your work, okay, what you're advertising for, and then click on save. Right, save it. So if you have done this, you can see for interest I put about 7 more, right, about 7 here. Okay, and okay, I think I need to go add graphics. Hold on. So I've done that, right? So having done that, next thing you're going to come to gender. On gender, you can click all, right, and then click on save. Click on save, right? When your work is saved, the next thing you're going to come down here. Don't click here. If you click at that, means your advert will not go, right? So just click on next. And the next part is for you to make a payment, 2,500 per advert. Okay, so what I can do, I can reduce this to 1,600, something like that, right? So when I do that, I will allow you to run for how many days? Let me say I want to allow you to run for like 4 days. Okay, let me make it like, okay, let me make it 3 days. Okay, for this particular class, 3 days, and then click on next. When you do that, they're going to give you total amount of money you're going to pay. Okay, so you're going to pay okay, you need funds available. Okay, but the fund I have right now in my account is 960 naira, right? And the total amount I need to pay is here, it's 5,160. So I can minus this value from it, okay, and I can go and make my payment. So click on pay and create ad. When you do that, this is going to pop up, right? Allow it to load. So now when this come, okay, what I do is what I use pay by bank transfer, which is easier. So click on pay bank transfer, and then when you do that, click on next and wait for it. All right, so this is going to pop up, right? They will tell you to go pay 4,199 because they know that you have some balance in your account, right? So you have to pay 4,199 and pay the same amount of money again. So copy the account number, cross check, and make your payments. Just wait, let me make my payment. I'm going to come back to you. All right, so guys, I observed something. They actually asked me to pay the exact amount, not more than, not less than. Okay, so I have to pay the exact amount. Okay, so what do you call it? Yeah. I was just going to come back here now to the advert place and then click on back to pay by bank transfer. Okay, just do that. So when you do that, just wait for the results. All right, so they said verification pending. Go to WhatsApp Business, right? I'll just go there and see what is happening there. Okay, you can see 4,199 successfully added. You now have this, okay, in balance. So let's go to done. So let's wait for what they said. Okay, so the advert is going. Okay, say congrats, your ad is being created. Your ad is in review. If your ad meet our advertising policy to go live within 24 hours or less, we'll email you with this and all of that. Okay, so you can view the ads if you want to. All right, the ad you have pushed. Okay, so this is the one that I pushed before, and this is the one we just created. All right, today is 4th of January, right? So that is it. So this ad going to run for 3 days for us, just as we have done. Right, so guys, this is how you actually make payment for your advert, and the advert will be running, and you'll be having people coming to your WhatsApp group to learn or to make payments and then buy whatever you're selling through WhatsApp. This is very easy, right? So if you like it, give us a thumb up, follow us, comment, share, and then let's see how we can work together. Thank you and God bless you. This is the voice of the Sam K. I'll be out for now. God bless you. Bye for now.